topic we are discussed? What is the last topic? Anybody say?
Square roots.
Last topic. No one remember what is the last topic?
LCM and GCF.
Sorry,
LCM and GCF.
I couldn't hear you. Can you speak loudly?
LCM and GCF.
Yeah, LCM and GCR. Okay, right. So today we will see fractions. Okay, we will discuss about fractions today. Okay, fractions. Okay, so in this fraction we have to learn some few concepts. Fractions in generally in the school age, that is a different topic. But when we are going to solve some problems, we have to correlate it with our division topic. That is the very important point here. Okay, so yeah, again disconnected it is. Right. So fractions we are talking about. Okay, fractions. So the basic thing we are connecting this fraction to uh, division. Suppose 2 divided by 3 is there in general. Okay, so we can solve in many ways. These are two peoples. Okay, two peoples, and let me take this is as a pen. Okay, for two peoples, I can give only one pen to each and every one. So then I am subtracting 2, then I got 1. This one is indicate remainder. Okay, remainder. That means one pen is left with me. Suppose same 2 members are there, I have only 3 pens, but I decided that I want to give 2 pens to everyone. So 2 2 jars 4, minus 1 will be appeared here. This minus 1 again it is a remainder, but it is a negative remainder. So negative remainder means here one pen is lack. Are you getting my point? Suppose 2 members are there, only I have 3 pens. I decided that I want to give 3 pens for everyone. So 6 minus 3 will be remainder. It means 3 pens are lack here. So this is the original correct answer. So we have to adjust this answer like this. For that, how many extra pens you given to them? 1 pen. Okay, we have to adjust. Now see, actually we can write this part into mixed fraction part. Okay, mixed fraction. In the mixed fraction, one will be integer. Okay, integer plus fraction. So that is called mixed fraction. Okay, it means that in this case, okay, observe carefully. 1 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and 2 will be the number of people. So 1 by 2, this is called mixed fraction. So we can write this fraction 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, it is clear. 1 plus 1 by 2 we can write. This is a vice versa. In the same situation, if you write this number, so 2 remainder divided by quotient. So in this case, 2 plus minus 1 by 2 you can write it. That means 2 minus 1 by 2 is the solution of this question. We will solve this problem later. Let us see how to write the division into mixed fraction. So 3 pence given, 3 pence are lakhs. I distributed between 2 people. In this case, if you observe carefully, this is the wrong and this is also wrong. This is only correct statement here. So we have to convert into original form. For that, already I told many times, whatever divisor is there, we are writing divisor table 2, 4, after that 6, 8, like that. If you add 2 to this part, it's never become positive. So for that we have to add 4. So I'm adding 4 here. Okay. How many times I added? It is 2 times. So that 2 I'm subtracting from this part. So then I am getting 1 by 2. Original form will appear. Again 2 table is here. 2 table is here. So if you add 2 to the numerator, denominator I'm not changing. This is 1 time. So I'm subtracting 1 time from the quotient part. So again this part becomes 1 by 2. So this is a very important conversion. This is actually when we are solving mixed fraction questions, this is a very important one. And another mixed fraction type also there. Suppose -1 -1 by 2 is there. Let us think. Okay, your quotient is negative, your remainder also negative. In this case, you can write this part minus 1 by 2 for the whole part it is, not for a single part. This is the whole part. 1 minus 1 by 2 is the different one. But when we have the negative symbol here, okay, the quotient part is negative symbol here. So it must be negative and remainder also must be negative, then only you can write like this. How? It is also positive, it is also positive, so you can write like this. See, positive and it is also positive, so you can write like this. In the same way, it is negative, then you can write like this. This is a very important statement here. Sometimes what happens, look at here, -2, 1 by 2 will be appear. If you solve this question, then what happens, let us see. 2 times of -2, so this is -3 by 2, original answer. So we want to make here numerator as a negative now in this case. Why? Because our quotient is the negative here. So negative table, -2, -4, after that -6. In this way, we have to go like this. Then -2, I am not changing so far. I will change you later. 1 plus, sorry, +1 -2 divided by 2. So then you are getting -1 by 2. That is clear to everyone. See, 2 table, when you are dividing with -3, here it is a negative, then you have to take negative times only. Negative times of -2, that is +2 divided by 1. So 1 will be the -1 will be the remainder. So -1 times, see, here you are adding all plus times. Here you are adding all negative times. When you are adding all negative times, then minus, it is become now plus. So it is -1 by 2. If you solve this problem, again you are getting the same thing. Simply and remember here, let me take another slide here so that you can understand. Suppose like this is there. Okay, let me take here 3 times. Minus 2, 3 by 4 is there. Minus 2, minus 3 by 4 is there. 2, 3 by 4 is there. Okay. Now you can write this problem 2 plus 3 by 4. There is no problem. This part you can write like this. Minus 2. Actually, let me take like this so that, yeah. In this case also there is no problem we have. So we can write like this also. That means you can maintain this problem as it is. There is no change in here in this point. Here also there is no change in it. So you can write this number as minus 2, 3 by 4. This is minus indicates for everyone. Okay, right. So in this case we have to adjust the sign. So in the 4 table, 4, 8, 12 like that. So you can add 1 4 here by 4. Only one time you subtracted. So 1 by 4 is the correct one. In this case, minus 2, minus 4 we are subtracting. Now, minus 4 table will be appeared here. Quotient is the negative is there by 4. Minus 1 times you subtracted, but already quotient is the negative. So see, if you solve this problem, so then you are getting 8 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So if you solve this problem, so minus 1 time you have to take that. So 1 will minus 1 will remain. The same thing will be appeared as it. Minus 1 by 4. If you see quotient part minus 1, remainder part minus 1 by 4. So we are rearranging the part. That is the very important. I hope everyone is understand. Yes? Any doubt? No doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, right. And in this case, LCM method is very useful here. Whatever so far we are learned, that is ratio method. So ratio method is very important here. Okay. So let me try to solve it now. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is there. Okay. The first thing is denominator. Denominator or prime. That is the first. Okay. In this case, example 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7 is there. If you observe denominators are prime number. So direct you can take product here, product. Just you multiply these two things. After that, cross multiplication. So 21 plus 20. So then 41 by 35. That is the first case. Suppose if you are taking three numbers like this, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 7 or 4 by 7, whatever. So all are prime. So your LCM becomes their product 70. So product will come directly. In this case also, in this case, this is 1 prime, another not prime, and not multiple. See, 3, 4 are, one will be prime number, another will be not prime number. And there is no relation between 3 and 4. In this case also, when we have like this, then also LCM becomes same. Just you cross multiply 8 and this multiply 3. So that is 11 by 12 will be comes here. Okay, here I am not solving the problem, but because you don't know how to multiply it. Okay, suppose 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3 plus like 5 by 4 is there. Let us solve it. Not 4. Let me take here. let me take 25 and let me change this one 2. Yeah, now if you see, this is not prime, this is prime, this is prime. So in this case also LCM becomes 2 into 3 into 25 only, their product only. Observe carefully. This is a very important point you have to remember. Remaining problems we are dealing in a little bit different way. I will explain you, don't bother. How I am going to solve this problem, I will explain you. Please wait for that. Okay, right. It is clear to everyone? It is clear or not? Hello?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay, right. Now, I will write some numbers like this here. Okay, suppose 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, now observe carefully. What are the steps I am doing here? Okay, right. See, this 3 is multiplying with some number here, again some number here, again some number here. So remember this point. First numerator is multiplied with remaining other fraction denominators. Okay, so see, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 5. In the next step, this part, remaining denominator. So this is the remaining one. So this is the remaining one, and this is the remaining one. Some other numbers are multiplying. I will tell you what are those numbers. Okay, right. Now next is other part. Once we are moving forward, we cannot come backward. That is a very important point here. So for this numerator, you cannot come backward from the last step. You have to remember this point. So we have to move only forward direction. Some other fraction will be there like this. Then we have to move forward direction from the third fraction. From the third fraction. Okay, this is a very important point here. Why we are not moving to the backwards? Why we are not moving the backwards means here. Actually, what I am doing here, from the third fraction, this numerator, okay, numerators are multiplied with equivalent fraction number. Okay, I will tell you what is the equivalent fraction number. Sorry, equivalent LCM number. Okay, LCM number. Suppose another fraction will be there. Let me take like this. So this will be multiplied this one and this one. Okay, over. Next to come to next denominator. This will be multiplied with some other number and it is multiplied with some other number. Next it will be, it is multiplied with other number. But for there is a 5, there is a no number, so we are stopping the procedure. This is a clear to everyone? Yeah, Priyanka.
I didn't really get where you got the 2 by
Priyanka, your
7.
voice is breaking.
Where did you get the 2 by 7 from?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, yes, Priyanka.
Where did you get your 2 by 7?
Which one?
2 by 7.
Sorry, where it is actually 2 sevens. Sorry, can you repeat again?
2 by 7.
Okay, 2 by 7 is there. Okay. Actually, I changed the question. I changed the question. It's not like above question. I changed the question. Same pattern will be repeated. That's why I'm taking another two fractions for understanding only. Okay. Yeah. Right. Now let us see how to solve. 3 by 4 plus 2 by like 24 is there. The first step, finding the LCM of the denominators like this. Okay, so 1 by 6 will be the smallest fraction. So here LCM becomes 24. Here LCM becomes 24. There is no other fraction. So I am taking that LCM as it is here. Now equivalent numbers we have to write. Equivalent number. See, that is 1. 24 becomes 6. So this will be multiplied with this number 18, and this into this will be multiplied, then you are getting 2. So that is 20 by 24 is the final answer of the given fraction. Okay, let me take here another one so that you can understand. Suppose 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is there. Okay, suppose there is a plus symbol is there, so then we are doing addition. Is a minus symbol is there, then we are doing subtraction. Okay, take first two numbers, 3 by 4. So sorry, 4 by 3. Sorry, this is the smallest fraction. So here LCM becomes 12. Here LCM becomes 12, but we are not going to solve here because another denominator also there. So that is LCM by remaining number, that is 5. So 12 by 5. So if you cross multiply here for the LCM, so your LCM becomes here 60. So this is the final LCM. So I am taking here final LCM. Now 4 is equivalent to 4. Okay. And 3 is equivalent to 3. Okay. From the third step, 5 is equivalent to the 5. Okay. 5 is equivalent to the 5. And now 12 is there, na? 12. So this 12 we are multiplying with numerator in the third step. That point you have to remember. Okay. Now see, my 3 is multiplied with this one, 9. 9 into 5, that is 45. Okay. Right. The next step. Plus symbol is there. Plus symbol I am taking. Now this number into 4. 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, that is fine. After that, this numerator, it's moving only forward direction from the third step. So there is a no denominator here. So 1 times of 12 will be plus 12. So finally I am getting here 60, 70, 77 by 60 is the my final answer of the given question. Okay, don't bother if you are not understand at this problem. So let me explain you another one so that you can easily understand. Okay. Right. Suppose uh, 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 14 is there. If you see 7 by 5 equivalent fraction this one, and the LCM here becomes 35. Now 35 by 14. So that gives us here 7 times 5 by 2 cross multiplication. So LCM is 70. So here our LCM is 70. Now equivalent fractions we are writing. 7 is 7. Okay. 5 is 5. Okay. 14 is 2. Okay. Okay. But LCM part is very important. This part into 5 times. That is a way of writing the structure. So now 3 into 5 into 2. So that is 30. Minus symbol is there. I'm writing minus here. Now 2 into 7, 14. Okay. And 14 into 2, that is 28. That is also over. Plus symbol is there. Plus symbol. After that, 1 times of 5. 5 into there is no denominator. So that is 5. So finally I am getting here 7 by 70. Okay. So that we are getting 1 by 10 is the final answer here. Suppose 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 14 plus 2 by 3 by 10 is there. Let us assume. So in this case, 7, 5 LCM will be 7, 5. So 35 I got divided by 4, 14. That is 5 by 2 is the fraction. So LCM is the 70 here. So 70 by 10. So that is 7 by 1. So that gives 7. So again my LCM is here. Final LCM is 7. So equivalent part 7, 5, 2, 10 is 1. In this case, third step, 35, third step. See, 14 I am taking here. So into 5 times. Okay. The next 10 I am taking here. See, 10 into 7 times. So I am taking 7 times. Now start. 3 into 5 into C. This 15, 30 into 1, 30. Minus symbol is there now. 14, 28, 1, 28. Okay. Now see, 5 into next denominator plus 5. Now 27, there is no denominator here, so plus 21. Sorry, 21. So if you solve this part, so then you are getting 7. 7 plus 21 is 28 by 70. So this is the final answer of the given question. It is clear or not to everyone?
Clear.
Yes, clear.
Yeah, tell me now. Okay, so in this way you can solve this type of problems. We will discuss about mixed fractions and some extensions of these fractions problems. We will discuss tomorrow. Sometimes we will get here negative numbers also in the mixed fractions. Everything we will discuss the tomorrow class. So today this is the class. Any doubt, please ask. No doubt?
No.
Yeah, okay then. So practice few questions, your own questions, so that